Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl here, Mbbah-Offor. So today I'll be taking you on how I revamped a curly wig. But first of all, you need to appreciate this beauty. Oh, I'm loving this hairstyle. You need a tutorial? Then just tell me in the comment section down below. So yeah, I'll be showing you how I got this wig on, this wig from this to this. Yeah. Since I noticed that my camera likes to detect the mannequin face as someone's face and lose focus on the hair I want to do, I'm going to use a plastic bag to cover it. Sorry for any noise from the plastic bag. Just roll it behind and tuck it in. As simple as that. Then this is the hair we'll be treating today. Let's try our best to revamp it. See how bad it is. Like what? First things first, you want to use the wig snap. You want to use the wig band to tighten the wig on your mannequin head. The next thing is use T-pins to hold them, to hold the wig down by the sides. In the middle also. And the back, I'll put two, yeah. So now I want to start detangling the hair. Try and section it out to know where I'm starting from. So this time around, I'm trying to add water to it and see if it will help the detangling process a little bit better than detangling it dry. So I'm adding water. Forgive that I don't have a spray bottle. My spray bottle just spoiled. I haven't got another one for the meantime. So I'm using water. Just water. And I think the water is kind of helping it detangle faster because water softens hair. So it can as well soften the tangles in the hair. And yeah, I've washed this hair before now, and when I washed it, I actually put it in some conditioner, but I didn't have the chance to do all this work then, so I left it. So I don't know if the conditioner that was in the hair is also helping it, because I didn't rinse out the conditioner, I just left it. But yeah, so just watch me as I detangle the hair. Oh, this will take some time.
One thing you want to do if you are trying to revamp your curly hairs, try and see what works for you. As you can see, I tried doing it dry, tried wet, tried mixing both. I did everything I could to know which way would be faster and more effective for me, and like the way that will have the least breakage. So you want to do what works for you too. Yeah, and you want to be very gentle and have a lot of patience while doing this.
Wow, putting water in this is just the best. Can you see how the coils are even coming back? Can you see? Wow. Can you even put water in this one? I comb that dry. If it is my mom, she will always say, remove the hairs from the comb. It's going to like drag more hairs out. I don't know where that philosophy came from, but I do that sometimes. So I'm going to do it. Let's remove the hairs. I will show you guys the whole hair that came out from this at the end. And use this fresh comb to continue.
In this clip, you will see how I tried to work faster by using comb to comb it out without finger detangling, but that was not working for me, like not at all. I had to just drop the comb and the brush and still took my time to finger detangle it one by one. So just let you know that you just need to do what works for you. For me, the comb was not helping. It wasn't getting all the knots out. The breakage was much. It wasn't giving me what I wanted.
So now I'm down to the last section, and I want to show you people what I've been doing since, because it's when you've done something you know what's the best way for you. So what I've been doing is, like now as I brought down the section, I'll first of all try to free it. See how to finger detangle. When you hold the hair, you place it like this. It releases any knitting and knotting. Then you can easily bring out any strand of hair from there. So you want to just free them first, then to allow you to do anything you want to do later on without tangling too much, without cutting too much hair. And you also want to be careful. I noticed that the hair is actually soft. It can even cut from the weft. So yeah. So after trying to just go through it a little bit with my hands, try and remove any big knot I can, then I will then soak it with water. I'll take my water. I massage it in to make sure the strands soak up the water in order to soften the knot. As I said earlier, the knots are mainly closer to the weft. That is where the burst type of knitting we have seen is. So now I've wet it. I can easily run my hands through it and stop here, but no. Actually detangling this thing like I'm tangling natural hair. So I want them to be like each strand on their own. So this is how I finger detangle. As you can see, this place is knotted, it's knitted together. It's actually difficult, but you can just take your time to do it. Sometimes I use my finger to pinch because my hands are like so big to even get the hair. This one has like another strand of hair that has rotated around it. So that's one thing finger detangling helps you to do. It helps you to see up close what's going on there and know how to handle it. Now, as you can see, I'm like closer to the weft. I'm at the root. Make sure you start from tip to root. So now I'll do it in a way that my hand can pass through any part of the hair without getting caught up in the tangles of the hair. So as you can see, I'm done with this section. It's not easy. You need patience, a lot of patience while doing this. If not, you can even claim you're doing finger detangling and easily yak the hair because you are just tired or frustrated or in a hurry. So you need to take your time and do it. Now, this section is okay, as you can see. I can go from down to anywhere I want. And nothing will happen again. You can see it. As you can see. I don't know if I should show you guys the another. Okay, let me show you guys with this one. And see how this one is together. Now I'm going to try and pull it one, to make it one by one. If you don't know how to finger detangle, you can actually use a comb and go from tip to root. But you can just try. Every day, we learn every day. Small by small, you get a hold of it, and before you know, you're like used to it. I prefer it to the comb. Comb is kind of too rough for the hair. If it is with comb, for instance, I'm using this one. I will like this particular hair is not knitted up, but you want to take it like step by step from the least part. The last part you can see a knot from. As you can see, a knot is here. So you just kind of put the comb in between it. Or you can use a rat tail comb, but I don't want to spoil my rat tail comb because all these combs are fragile. As you can see, I'm still using my finger. I can't use comb. Comb is not the way. Yeah, so that's it. Come back again when I'm done. So now I'm done detangling the whole hair. So you can see my fingers can easily move through the hair, using the brush. So now it's time for me to go an extra mile to condition it. You can actually leave it at this place. You can actually wear it like this. It is more than okay. Can you see the curls? They're already okay. But I want to do it in a way that the owner of this wig can wear it for a long time without anything happening to it. Alright, so let's get to it. You can use it contour conditioner. Now I want to tap on my hand. Let me tap on your hand first and apply it on the hair. Now you want to wrap it into a plastic bag so that the heat will help the conditioner penetrate the hair strands. Make sure the plastic bag you are using doesn't have a hole, or you double it, and don't use the paint side in case of it coming off from the hair. Yeah, so I came to show you what came out from the hair. It's quite big. It just depends on how the hair is. It's not that much. It comes out again. Yeah, this detangling of this wig took me like 3 hours, 20 minutes for everything. Plus trimming, you have to add that, yeah. So maybe you can say it took me 3 hours. Just so you know.
As you can see here, I had doubled the bag to trap in more heat. I left it for 24 hours. You don't need to leave your own for that long. So I'm about to wash it out. See the shine to it. The hair is so soft right now. Like, I'm so happy. I allowed that conditioner penetrate the strands of the hair. That's why I left mine for long and doubled the plastic so that the heat will trap the conditioner there. You want to brush while rinsing to get out every bit of conditioner in the hair. You can also walk your hands through it. You have to rinse it till it is clean. If you watch closely, you see that my water, I had to keep on changing water till my water was no longer cloudy. Then I pat it with my towel so it won't be dripping water. Hung it on my mannequin head and allowed it to air dry overnight. So the next day I came and continued working on it.
So this is what the hair is looking like now. I hope you can see it. This is what the hair is looking like. The coils are there. It's straight, like it's detangled, like no problem. So the only thing she needs to do is she can touch it with water sometimes. Use brush, use a coiler, or if you like, you can put hair mousse. But I don't like to put hair mousse because I think hair mousse kind of leaves the hair stiff a little bit. So just put a coiling cream with water, or if you have a coiler that is liquid, just put that on it. Then you can brush it. You can fluff it as much as you want. It just depends on you. You can fluff it as much as you want. See? Pass your hand through it and fluff it. You see the movement to it. So now the next thing I'll do is to hot comb this place so that it will lay flat.
I had to leave this clip in here so I can say more things. So as you can see, the hair is looking nice. The coils are popping. It's big. You can fluff it more. So this is one way of wearing it, and the second way is what you see in the next clip. That's the way my sister prefers for now. So after here, I later went in with oil and water mixed together, sprayed it a little bit with a coiling cream, and brushed it out. So that's why it has this afro look.
This is the hair here. This is what it's looking like right now. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification beside the subscribe button. Also, comment any questions you have below. Yeah, you can also follow me on my IG. Let's be friends. Bye. Thank you. And yeah, this is all me. Like, this is all mine. Bye.